check this again. I'll put up part one as well. Come on. Put both of them. Okay. Sorry guys. Sorry. Did it connect it in good? No, I didn't. I need both of the headphones right there. What I'm hearing is like probably gonna have to put it up. See that? And the split switch right there. You can hear that loud and clear, I think. No, I guess you can. Yes, a train as well. I don't know why. It's so creepy. Jesus.